A drain plug is located on either side of the oil sump. One is near the starter, the other is near the oil filter. Drain the engine oil by removing a drain plug or opening the oil drain device. Different types of oil drain devices are available and may be installed for convenience. Allow ample time for complete drainage, then securely close the oil drain device. If a drain plug was removed, reinstall and torque to 10 foot-pounds. Place a suitable container under the oil filter to catch any oil, and remove the old filter. Clean the oil filter mounting surface and any debris from the area. Pre-fill a new replacement oil filter, and wait 2 minutes before installing. Apply a thin film of clean oil to the gasket of the new oil filter. Install the new oil filter and secure according to instructions on the filter. Ensure the engine is level, then add new oil to the crankcase. Periodically check the level until it reaches the full mark on the dipstick. Always check the oil level with the dipstick before adding more oil. Reinstall and secure the oil fill cap and dipstick. Reconnect negative battery cable and spark plug leads. Test run the engine, check for leaks, recheck and adjust the oil level as necessary. Dispose of used oil and filter in accordance with local ordinances.